Okay. Hey, hi, Ashish and Bala. So we know how
Hi,
to create a leave type. Instead of directly jumping into the subject, I'll just give overview. And we know how to create a leave family. We know how to create validation. Yesterday we discussed. And we know how to create balance or entitlement. Or we can also call it entitlement. And what is the difference between track balance and not track balance? Simple leave, advanced leave. Today we'll go and talk about supporting data and business processes. Okay. So you guys might be noticed when I'm requesting the leave. Oh, let me show you on the screen. So whenever the employee is requesting for a leave, employee is not able to see what is the leftover balance and how many days employee so far has taken. Okay, currently request details. The employee is not able to win the requesting. But if you want to allow the employee to view these details, these we will configure under supporting data. So let me explain what we configure. And in this tenant, employee self is not enabled. Okay. That's why employee is not able to request leave yesterday waited. So we know how to configure leave family, how to configure additional criteria, or you can also call it additional eligibility rules. Okay. And today we are going to talk about validation. Sorry, validation also we have discussed yesterday. Okay. If any employee is requesting more than available balance, you should give a hard stop saying that you don't have sufficient balance. This also we discussed. And now in today's session, we're going to talk about supporting data. Okay. So what do you mean by supporting data? So it will help to employees to respond to an insufficient balance error. So they know whenever the employee is requesting 10 days of leave, sorry, 15 days of leave, actually the employee have 10 days only. So what happens? Some employees they may not clear with the error. Okay, they may not clear with the error. So they'll see what happens. Why it's not allowing. I'm requesting for 10 days, but why it's not? They're unclear with the validation. So to make them clear, yesterday we discussed some custom text. It's a kind of we have to configure as a supporting data. Okay. So display worker currently request, display workers outstanding leave balance. Okay. Current status or outstanding or not availed leaves. So these we have to test in the leave request page, whether it's displaying or not. So for that, we have to manage and maintain supporting data in simple validation messages. This is validation. This is validation messages. Okay. So now, so we already have a workday delivered values for this, for each leave type. So we have to select the right one. Let's see which one we have to choose. So let's say the employee eligible for 10 days of leave, employee availed only 5 days. The remaining 5 days employee has to see when they're requesting. You already taken 5 days, you have only 5 more days to take. At that time, employee is requesting for 10 days, it will give an error. So by seeing this message, the employee can know, okay, I already availed 5 days. I can see I can take only 5 more days. Okay. So this is the workday delivered one. So let's see how to do this. Just okay. Outstanding leave balance for leave type. This balance here. check the current leave. And if you can see this value is not giving any proper meaning. So you have to override it. However you want, it's nothing but a custom text. Number of days remaining in entitlement. Balance. Okay. Or if you want to give more, number of days remaining to avail company leave. So the employee can see it from here and they will know the error. Okay. And also let's go add one more arrow. And here, how many days the employee has requested? Units requested for current. Number of days you requested. Days should come here. Okay. So what happens now? Employee for 10 days of leave. Assume employee already taken 3 days of leave. And employee is not aware of that. Sometimes we may forget. So employee is rising more than 10 days. As per our current validation, the validation is not going to allow the employee to request. It will give your current leave request exceeds the entitlement balance. Please revise the request. But the employee may not be aware of these details. What does the error means? So what the employee can do, these details will be displayed, the supporting data additionally. So you have only few days left. These many days you have, 7 days only you have, and you have only 7 days to be taken. Okay. So these are check boxes. If you select this, these will be hidden from the employee self-service. Okay. These will be hidden from the employee self-service. Now we'll do a quick test. But before that, is it clear why we are creating the supporting data?
Yes.
So yesterday we discussed one topic, Natish. So here we are giving this. Even Zabasish asked this question. So if we configure this one, the rule, but it's not giving proper explanation about the error message, can we configure our custom text? Yes, that can be possible. That is here. Okay. We'll do a quick test run on this. Employee will choose Kyle Hopkins. First, let's see employees matching eligibility or not. Regular, full-time, country, United States of America. Go to time and leave, enter absence. Uh-huh. One second, request properly. So Workday enable drag and drop on. If you can move your cursor automatically, it will be selected for leave. 7 days. One, two, three, four. Exclude Saturday, Sunday. 27. Okay, 13 days. Okay, 20. Request. Now in this page, we select company 1. Okay. Company leave from date to to date. Type total employee requested 11 days, which exclude Saturday, Sunday. Validation is working, but I want to show you the supporting data. Let's revise it. Here, if you can see, when employee is requested, employee can see this one. Okay, we are requesting this leave as an implementer, but unfortunately, in this time, employee doesn't have permission to request the leave. I raise the request, not sure whether the result. So these are the details. Number of days remaining to avail company leave, 10 days as per the balance, but number of days employee is requesting 11 days. And here you have your error message. Current leave request exceed entitlement balance period. Please revise the request. So these are the 10 days only employee have, but the employee request 11 days means 1 day additional. Okay, that's why this validation is coming. So what we will do, we'll do a positive test. This is a negative test. We'll do a positive test. The positive test is we'll do less than 10 days. Then it should allow the employee to submit it. Okay. Let me cancel it first. Well, I will try to access this one from employee related. We'll see whether permission we got or not. So that you can also do practice during your time. So go to the absence from employee self. As of today, employee has how many balances here we can see. Days. Our plan itself not visible. Sorry, still no access. I think mistakenly I selected do not allow request. Now give me a try. I think this is causing the issue. But it's security permissions. What is that employee name? Asish? Bala? You remember? Hopkins.
KYLE something.
K K
KYEL or LE?
Kyle Hopkins. Right. Yeah, I think do not allow request. That's the reason employee is not able to. It's my mistake configuration. Customs. Why employee is not able to request this? Nothing wrong. Okay, let's do the testing. Then after we'll see why we are not able to request on behalf of employee. So as an implementer and test testing, let me try through manager. Actually, in real time, either manager has to place employee, or absence partner, or employee. These three people only have access. So it's team absence. Excellent. Security has changed in this part. Others, manager also can request on behalf of an employee. What happening, Ashish? 21073. So I'm just submitting as an implementer. Some security issues there. Manager doesn't have permission to initiate. So I'm requesting less than 10 days. The expectation is it should allow. Okay. So it's allowing without validation. So validation support data is working fine. Only one question here: why employee himself is not requesting the leave? Any idea? Permissions.
So security groups were not assigned for this VP.
Right. Actually, I request that guy to give this access, but no response. So we can't wait for more days. So I'm just doing from my side. Later I will deactivate it. Security is the issue though. We'll test now. Okay, remaining days are there now. See whether employee is requested. 7 days we requested, 8, 9, 2 days. Not sure. Permissions not there. So Ashish, this is your question. You're asking, right? Let's see this at least. The GMS tenants are not suitable for advanced module. Why the plan itself it was hidden? That is also my question. At least manager can place employee. Let's see.
It is showing when we entered below 10, but why not showing more than 10?
More than 10?
Yeah, that plan should come there, right?
No, we request only 7 days. 1, 2, 3,
Okay, only 7 days. Okay,
6.
that's below 10 then.
Right, that's right. Now 6, 7, 8. Now employee manager able to request. The BP is working, but not for worker. That's why. So see, manager is able to place employee and leave.
Okay, manager able to place it, but the employee is not able to.
Correct.
Okay,
Now if you can see the balance for the worker, how many days left? It should be 1 day. Where is the balance? Go to the balance. Okay. So any idea why it's still showing 10? It's supposed to be show 1, right?
it's not yet approved, right?
Yes. We just triggered it. We haven't approved it.
Yeah.
That's fine. We'll approve and we'll see.
Yes.
So these are learnings. Let's do. So Ashish Bala, you guys wants to fix why employee is not able to request a specific company leave. Give it a try.
You just change the security group. I'm not sure why.
Right. My employee should have only one, as per my understanding. Kai. Even I want to
And
fix.
can you check the configuration once again, the
Hmm.
leave type?
But still is showing 10. Why? Approved, approved. So it still shows 10 means what? Any idea? We requested future dated, okay? So when you request the future dated, it will show. Once the employee date is triggered to tomorrow, then the employee will be on leave. Okay, see the dates also.
Okay,
Which date is
right, right.
required. That's the reason. Okay, now let's see why this employee is not able to request it. So first we'll see the leave type. Hmm. Visibility we have given. On leave status, okay. It's matching. Enable for worker type employee. We are requesting only for employees. No payroll import. We don't have any additional modules. We have not hidden any details here. Is there any security group has stopping?
Check for any other plan, existing plan.
Yeah, one second. First, let's see which BP is triggering for this worker type. The default definition or some other BP. Okay, nice. It's not default definition. We give permission on default definition. Some validation. What is validation? Required documentation for leave type not attached. If request of leave of absence, global message required document for leave type not attached. If leave type doesn't require proof of eligibility, must provide electronic form and attachment of your request. Click revise and attachment secondary. Therefore, policy document successful. Who is that? Initiated. Assignment is not some of the previous step. Employee have permissions. What is stopping? Permissions are there. Required document for leave type not attached. Requires documentation for leave type not attached. Requires document for leave type is not attached.